In this Blender tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make 3D text in Blender. You can make 3D text in Blender and then you can extrude it and convert the 3D text to a mesh inside Blender. This allows you to apply materials in Blender and do anything else you want to the text. So let's get started. This is the default scene in Blender, so I'm going to press X and delete this cube. Now I need to add text to Blender. To do that, press Shift-A on your keyboard and then select text. It'll give you some default text. To switch from object mode to edit mode in Blender, press Tab. Now I can just press Backspace on my keyboard to delete the text letters. I'll type 3D text. So now I have some text, but I actually want it to be 3D. This isn't very 3D. Well, to make 3D text in Blender, it's very simple. I'll press Tab to go back to object mode. And then over here on the right, I'm going to click on this green A. Now under the Geometry tab, I can go ahead and add an extrude measurement. So I'm going to type 0.25. So this now extrudes the text. But you may notice that the text is very sharp on the edges. And if you've done any 3D modeling and rendering in Blender, then you know that there are not sharp edges on real objects. That means we need to bevel or round off this object here. So what we can do is we can change the profile and the depth here. So I'm going to type 0.02, and then you'll notice that this looks a bit rounder. But notice what happens if I look from the top here. So I'm looking straight down from the Z axis here. And when I add that, notice that the letters go together. So this is with no depth, and this is 0.02. So now what I need to do is either make my text smaller, or I need to add some character spacing. So I can just click right here and add a bit of character spacing for what I want. Now, sometimes people will tell you to add a negative offset. And if I do that, watch what can happen. So I can type negative 0.02. And sometimes that works, but you can easily get these artifacts. So you see right here how this is going to create a problem. And then you just have to fix that. So rather than putting a negative offset, leave the offset at 0, and then use general typographic tools such as character spacing to get the spacing that you need. And you can make this very precise. So now I have some 3D text, but I need to make it into a mesh so I can actually add some textures and render it. Because if I switch to material preview, it just has this white texture here. Of course, I can select this text and I can add a material to it and change its color. But what if I wanted to move the vertices around and edit it and things like that? I'm going to create a 3D mesh. To do that, select the text, and then I'm going to go to Object, Convert, and then select Mesh. Now, if I press Tab, you can see that all these vertices are real, and it's an actual geometry mesh. So I could apply transformations and animations to it. Now, it doesn't make the cleanest geometry, so if you actually have to do some deforms, you may need to re-topologize this, but this will work great for just having some text. Now I'm going to press A in edit mode, then RX90. So now I have my text right here. So now I want to move this up in the Z direction. I'm going to look at the Y axis right here, and I'll zoom in just a little bit, and then I'm going to press G, then Z, and just move straight up, and just get it close to right there. Now what I want to do is go ahead and make a render. So hopefully this allows you to create nice 3D text in Blender. It's quite simple to do, and then you can edit and bevel and convert that 3D text to a mesh, and then you can do anything you want with it, including animating it, having different parts of it appear, separating the letters. Happy 3D modeling.